On our last outing, I was having problems with the carburetor. It wasn't real bad. It ran pretty good most of the time, but it got to where it just random out of the blue and start fouling out of plug. So I'm going to rebuild the carb. I should take care of that. Power steering pump. I just put a rebuilt power steering pump in, and I think I'm going to pull that out and return that and do an exchange and try to get a better one or another one. That one, it was working, but it was really loud and noisy. I don't know if you hear it in any. So I'm going to try to take care of that. So I pulled my carburetor off. I'm going to rebuild this. I got the most complete kit I could find. Get it adjusted best I can. Get it back on the pickup. And hopefully it'll run better. This was the one I just put in. I don't know. It was working good, but it was making noise, which made me think it wasn't going to last very long. But it was making some noises I didn't like. So I got a replacement, warrantied that one, putting that back in. So while I'm doing that, I picked up a 3-groove pulley so I can run 2 belts on the pump to go with the 2-groove pulley there. Because this was chirping and squalling a little bit. When I'd go to take off and crank the wheel, it would make that horrible dog whining. Dog howling sound. So anyhow, I got a new pulley. I'm going to throw that in there as well. It's good timing for that. And get that taken care of. And the belt issue. Won't have any more squeaking belts. So we'll get this finished up, thrown in. Get the carburetor. I got it halfway rebuilt. We'll finish that up, throw it on. All right, so I got the power steering pump put in. It's quiet. 2 belts. One little thing though is both those belts don't seem to be the same diameter. They are both from Napa. They're both the same part number. One had been on a little bit before the other one. Maybe it's stretched, I don't know. We'll look at that later. Get some miles on it and see what happens. And then I got the carb put back together and put on. It's running really good. Everything's working good there.